Okay guys, it's vlogging day and we're going on a little trip. So I want you guys to come and hang out with me because we're gonna have some fun today. Okay guys, let's hit the road. We're ready to go, rock and roll. Then you know that I'm gone, gone. If you don't hear from me, don't come knocking at my. You're eating our burger. Okay guys, can you walk with me in the shoe store? I'm going to create a damage. Maybe, maybe not. I just want you guys to help me choose a shoe that I need to wear. I'm going to off Broadway. This is across the street from In-N-Out Burger, all right? Change it around. Let's go find the ladies section. Your sneakers. These colors are hot.
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me.
I wonder if they have any size in these. No. It's Michael Shannon. That's what happens. A lot of times I see something that I like, no size. All of these different purses. This is cute. Sizes. These are perfect. Camera girl, I'm an invisible friend. Can you hold the camera for me, please?
Just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me, perfect to me. We're drawn to each other.
What do you guys think?
Try to break it all, but
I'm on the outer right.
to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best
What about this guy? Okay guys, you guys need to tell me what you think, which one of the shoe you like the best. Drop it in my comments so I can go back and get it. Alright? I'm just gonna get it for you guys. So guys, we're in Hollywood. As you can see, I can walk it everywhere, but I decided to just drive so you guys can see a little bit more. So I'm gonna see if it's too crowded. But one day I'm gonna walk on Hollywood Boulevard for you guys so you can see the stars, because I need to go see Shirley Caesar's new star. People are walking on the side that I don't know if you guys can see any of the stars on the street over there too, on both sides. I'm just gonna turn around. Oh boy, those are the things you see on Hollywood Boulevard. People dressed up like all different kind of characters. That's the famous, believe it or not, Ripley's over there. You guys have seen something. This is the Chinese theater. See it? Famous hot dog spot. It's called Pink's. Alright. Getting back home so I can get some sleep for work tonight. Right? I'll just give you a little bit of quick tour. But you'll get the real deal coming soon when I'm on foot. Alright? Unless you guys just want to drive with me all the time. I mean, it's kind of cool. Or what about the invisible girl? You want her to be here too? Guys, this is where I'm ending it, because I have to go home and get some sleep. And I want you guys to leave in the comment. Do you want me to drive around to show you town, or you want me on foot? I don't know. Or do you guys want me in the kitchen always? There's a lot to see in LA. Let me know if you want me to do some driving around. We can go to Beverly Hills. We can go to Malibu. We have so much that you guys can see. But you guys let me know if you want me in the kitchen or on the road. All right? So we're going to wrap it up now. And I'll see you guys next time in the kitchen.